If you're new to Android, there's one thing that might be confusing at first, and it's the difference between the home screen and app drawer. Home screen is what you see when you unlock your phone. It's different from the lock screen because home screen shows when the phone is unlocked. Home screen can have these big widgets showing different kinds of info, and it can also have apps on it, similar to the app drawer. When you swipe up from the home screen, you'll get the app drawer. This is a grid of all the apps installed on your phone, and there won't be any widgets or other stuff here. Just apps, and that's it. You can use the search bar to find apps, you can move and organize apps into folders, and you can swipe down to get back to your home screen. So the home screen will look slightly different, and usually only show some of your apps depending how you've set it up. You can add any app to the home screen by long pressing it and choosing Add to Home Screen. And on the home screen, you can tap and drag apps to place them wherever you'd like. Any app that's been added to your home screen will still be available in the app drawer as well. It doesn't move the app, it basically just creates a copy or a shortcut to that app so you can access it without going all the way to the app drawer. So that's home screen versus app drawer in a nutshell. If you swipe up repeatedly, your phone will cycle between the two. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get more short and easy tutorials like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.